What's up, guys? Welcome back to the M16 Legends video. Today I'll be showing y'all 5 tips and tricks about the Apple Watch right here, guys. Today, let me know in the comments if y'all knew any of them. And also, I know this is a gaming channel, but we need to know where our gaming is, keep our fitness up, and all of the above, guys. And if we don't know where our stuff is, then we can't gain. If we're not fit, then we can't gain either, guys. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, guys. And let's jump straight into the video. Let's go. What's up, guys? So the first tip I got for y'all is how to see or hear the clock if you are gaming or playing or working out or doing whatever you want, guys, and you can't look at the phone or you're in a meeting or whatever you're trying to do and you've been doing whatever. Now this is the easiest way to check on your watch what time is it without even looking at it. So first you're gonna go to your settings, then you're gonna scroll all the way down. You're gonna scroll all the way down till you get a clock. Once you get to clock right here, you're going to scroll a little bit more down to where it says speak time right there. This is going to be turned off. Make sure you press that on right there. As y'all see right there. So then afterwards, when you're doing it, when that's done, all you need to do is take 2 fingers, put them together, hold them down. Let's see if it works.
8:53 p.m.
As you see right there, it said 8:53 p.m. right there, guys. So if you're like in a business meeting, if you're gaming and you need a quick time, just put 2 fingers on the watch and you can do it. Now let me show you a part 2 to this as well. So part 2 of this right here, you're gonna go back to your settings, go back to the clock, and you're gonna scroll all the way down to where you see tap it touch. Right here, you're gonna see this right here. You're gonna press it. This time it's gonna have this right here, digitals, right? Right here, make sure this little light screen, make sure digitals is on. If there is a slight problem, you might need to come back up here and turn speak time off if tap it touch does not work. But what you want to do here, make sure it is on, make sure digital is on and everything right this is on right there, and make sure this green button is right there. And let me show you how it works. So when we're back here, so the last one, it told us the time. But this time, if you look at it, or hear it, I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, not the thing. I don't know if you can hear the buzzing, but if you hold your fingers on it, it will buzz. It will buzz of the hour, the minute, the next minute, and then the minute. So it was 8:53, so it buzzed 8 times. Then it will buzz 5 times, then it'll buzz 3 times. Like that, guys. It will be a slight pause in between the next number, guys. Whatever time you're in or whatever time it is for you guys. Now, let's get into the second tip and trick. Let's go. So, guys, for the second tips and tricks part right here, number 2 is going to be finding the phone or finding our devices. If we cannot find it, we can't message, we can't text, we cannot game on our phones for any of those awesome mobile gamers out there, guys. Or just checking up on whatever we need to do, guys. So the second thing that we need to do for our Apple Watch is go here to your home page, right? Next thing what you're going to do is you're going to swipe up after you put your login in, right? It's going to log in, going to swipe up. As you see, there's a little phone thing right here. If you press it, you hear that. But there is another thing where if you hold it down, if you hold the icon right here, the phone, then it will make your phone flash. If it's any of those dark corners or it's hard to see it, it'll flash like I'm going to show y'all in this next clip right here. So right now, guys, I can't find my phone right here, but look, if we come over here, right, we do what I said in the previous clip, guys, where we swipe up and we hold this down. As you see, the phone starts flashing right there. We just hold it and it starts flashing and it starts ringing us to know that we have successfully secured our phone right here, guys. Let's get into the next clip now. What's up, guys? So if you take photos or you record with your phone, guys, and you don't have a good way to press the record button, or you don't have a stick or whatever, you can use your Apple Watch for that. So what you would do is you come to your Apple Watch, right? Look at, so first, right, you put in your code, then you go to the Apple Watch, right? You find the camera app right here. As you see, it would automatically turn to this, right? And as y'all see right here, if I press the button on it, it will take a picture of me right here, as y'all see right there. And also, if y'all change it to a video, for any video creators out there, it'll be just like this. As y'all see right there, it'll be just like that, where you can pause it, y'all can start it, guys. Hopefully that helps y'all if you're trying to make videos, if you're trying to record, if you're trying to do anything, guys. And let's get into the next tips and tricks. Tip number 4. So our 5th tips and tricks, last part right here, guys, is if you get your Apple Watch submerged in water, so you're gonna just scroll up, you're gonna come all the way down to here. You're gonna click this right here, the water, and then it's gonna show a little thing right here. It's if you get submerged or whatnot here. And after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it. You're gonna keep holding it, ejecting all the water, and the water will most likely come out to one of these little holes right here, guys. And let's get into the next part. Let's go. Sup, guys? So that's all 5 tips and tricks here, guys. If you were gaming, fitness, working, or anything above, guys, I know we're a gaming channel, and of course we put some tech in here too, guys. Like this, we have so many abilities to use with these things, guys. So it's gaming and other stuff too. So hopefully y'all got some help with this, guys, in any way as I could help y'all with these tips and tricks right here for your watch, guys. Not some of them might not work for y'all, like depending if y'all have an old version or a newer version, but more than likely all of these will work with y'all's watch, guys. If y'all enjoy, leave a like and subscribe, guys, and tell me which one was y'all's favorite and which ones y'all did and did not know down in the comments, guys. I'm M6 Gaming Legends, and see y'all in the next one. Let's go.